Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a jar, Java archive, file from Java source code is a common practice that allows developers to package Java classes and resources into a single file for distribution or deployment. In this tutorial, we will cover how to convert Java files into a jar file using both the command line and an integrated development environment, IDE, like Eclipse or intellij IDEA. ## prerequisites. 1 Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on your machine. Ensure that you have the JDK installed and configured properly. You can check this by running Java version and javac version in the command prompt or terminal. 2 A text editor or IDE for writing Java code. ###. Step 1, creating a simple Java project. First, let's create a simple Java project with a few Java files. 1. Create a directory for your project, example myjavaproject. 2. Inside this directory, create a subdirectory named src. 3. Create a Java file named helloworld.java inside the src directory with the following code. ###. Step 2, compiling the Java files. Before creating a jar file, you need to compile the Java source files into bytecode using the Java compiler, javac. 1. Open a command prompt or terminal. 2. Navigate to the myjavaproject/src directory. 3. Compile the Java file using the following command. This will produce a helloworld.class file in the same directory. ###. Step 3, creating a jar file. Now that we have compiled our Java code, we can create a jar file. 1. Navigate back to the myjavaproject directory. 2. Use the jar command to create a jar file. The general syntax is: to create a jar file named helloworld.jar that includes the compiled classes from the src directory, use the following command. ###. Step 4, running the jar file. Once you have created the jar file, you can run it using the java jar command. You should see the output. ###. Additional considerations. Manifest file. If you want to specify the main class, the entry point of your application, you can create a manifest file. Create a file named manifest.mf with the following content. Then create the jar file using including other resources. You can include other resources, like images, properties files, etc., by placing them in the src directory and including them in the jar file using the same jar command. ###. Using an IDE, Eclipse/intellij IDEA. If you are using an IDE like Eclipse or intellij IDEA, the process to create a jar file is usually simplified. ###. Eclipse. 1. Right-click on your project in the Project Explorer. 2. Go to Export. 3. Choose Java jar file. 4. Follow the wizard to select the resources you want to include and specify the jar file name and location. ###intellij IDEA. 1. Go to File Project Structure. 2. Under the Artifacts section, click on the plus icon to add a new jar. 3. Select from modules with dependencies and follow the prompts to configure your jar file. 4. Build the jar from the Build menu. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to convert Java source files into a jar file using both the command line and IDEs. Jar files are essential for packaging Java applications and can include compiled classes, resources, and a manifest file to specify entry points. Now you can distribute your Java applications in a compact and organized manner.